Hey, so I'm in the kitchen and I'm having my first meal of the day, which, as I just showed you, are eggs, and I'm also going to have rice with it. But the reason I'm taping this is sometimes I get mail from Hungry for the Truth readers or Team DDP Yoga members asking me what I eat, or what did you eat today? Just give me an idea. Um, and I'm happy to share. I've dropped 185 pounds through clean eating, which for me is no gluten and no cow dairy, and being very active, and that includes DDP yoga, weight training, walking, and Kundalini yoga. It's a whole package of things that I do, but I always eat well and I always enjoy food. I think that has to be part of the equation, or why bother? So yesterday I went out to American Masala Farm in Hebron and was fortunate enough to spend some time with Suvir Saran, who is a cookbook author, celebrity chef, and he owns Devi Restaurant in New York City, which is a beautiful Indian restaurant with a Michelin star, and it's fabulous. If you're in New York, try it. You won't be sorry. He has a new book coming out, which is all about life on his farm, and he and his partner Charlie Bird it's sort of like a memoir of their time on the farm, their recipes, their philosophy on food, which has really changed my life. I've known them for about 4 or 5 years now. They gave me this amazing care package of wonderful extra virgin olive oils and tomato sauces by a brand that I had never heard of called Lucchini. This is going to be in a tomato pie that I'm going to make, gluten-free of course, from their cookbook. And you can see there's Suvir and there's Charlie, and they both, like me, they both love to be in the kitchen. So, oh, and they also, aside from the wonderful Lucchini products, they gave me a dozen heritage eggs, which are just divine. It's one of my favorite things. Their eggs just taste amazing because Charlie actually makes his own broth and feeds his hens that and other things that are really incredible for them. They live good lives, so it goes into the flavor of their eggs. They also gave me they're big on making jam when berries are in season. I scored some of their Concord grape jelly. I'm going to have that probably later today after my workout, mixed with a little sunflower seed butter, which is my favorite. I really am very much drawn to nuts and nut butters as a protein. It's just something my body decided it wanted, after this transition. So I've also made a pot of rice, rice is a huge staple for me, being gluten-free. It's got a little, you see it's a little off color, a little light brown. That's because I cooked it, I did a turkey a couple days ago and saved the stock, and that can be a wonderful base for making rice. Adds flavor, it adds a little fat, and you need fat, so don't avoid that. So this is going to be my breakfast. It's eggs, a little rice, and I always try to throw in something acidic, preferably some tomatoes, something with lemon in it. Oh, by the way, I'm cooking the eggs in this gorgeous oil by Lucchini, and it's lemon flavor. It's not lemon flavored. It's actually, this brand is so pure. They don't use flavorings. It's actual essence of lemon juice. It tastes amazing. So, and I'm going to, at some point, later in the week, this is going to be a perfect dipping oil with gluten-free bread, which I have from Saratoga Gluten Free. So I'm totally set. I'm about to enjoy these soft egg yolks, which is how I like eggs. And that's my meal for the morning. So bon appetit.